Alright, today we are going to learn about how to calculate different percent problems. In general, there are about 3 different types of percent problem. And these are the 3 that we're going to talk about. So remember, always keep in mind that percent means over 100. So whenever you have a percent, you know automatically that you're going to write it over 100. So this first problem says we need to calculate 30% of 90. So the first thing we do, once we see that percent sign, it tells us we're going to do 30 over 100. Percent always goes over 100. Take the percent over 100. And we're setting up a proportion. So we've been practicing proportion. So 30 over 100. And then we set it equal to, we're going to put x because we don't know what 30% of 90 is. That's our unknown, so that's what x is going to be. We put 90 on the bottom. Because we want, when we're setting up a proportion, it's going to be the part over the whole. Because percent is always out of 100, so 100% is the whole. So we line up the wholes, and percent is a part of that. So we put the part on top. So this is the proportion that we set up, and then we use the cross multiplying method to solve it. So 30 times 90, 2700 equals 100x. And then divide by 100, divide by 100. 27 equals x. So 30% of 90 is 27. The second type of problem is 72 is what percent of 360. So notice how the wording is different. This has 30% of 90 is what. I want to know what percent is 72 of 360. When I don't know the percent, because remember percent's always over 100, when I don't know it, I put an x. And remember, it's up here, the part over the whole. Well, 72 is a part of the whole of 360. So that's how you set up that proportion. And to solve it, we do the same method. So you're going to cross multiply. So you get 360x equals 7200. Divide by 360. Divide by 360. And x equals 20. So again, because I was asking what percent, the final answer is going to be 20%. And then the third type of problem. So as I'm going through these, I want to make sure that you're kind of noticing how the problems are worded differently and then how we are setting it up accordingly. So this third one right here is saying 25 is 30% of what? So again, once I see that percent always goes over 100. And then of what number? So 25 is a part of what whole? So now this time the x goes on the bottom for the whole. Cross multiply to solve. So you get 30x equals 2500. Divide by 30. Divide by 30. And x equals 83.3. That's your final answer.